Let's try to solve these problems. Convert the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. So let's start with 1, 9/2. So to convert an improper fraction to mixed number, we simply divide the numerator by the denominator. So we have 9 divided by 2. So that will be 4. Then 4 times 2, it's 8. 9 minus 8, it's 1. So the quotient 4 will be the whole number of the mixed number, and this remainder of 1 will be the numerator of the fractional part. And for the denominator, we just need to copy the same denominator of 2. So therefore, 9/2 is equivalent to 4 and 1/2 in mixed number. For number 2, we have 25/7. So again, we just need to divide the numerator 25 by the denominator 7. 25 divided by 7, that will be 3. 3 times 7, 21. 25 minus 21, that's 4. So again, this quotient of 3 will be the whole number of the mixed number. This remainder of 4 will be the numerator. And then over the same denominator of 7. So the final answer is 3 and 4/7. For number 3, we have 97/23. Again, let's divide the numerator 97 by the denominator 23. 97 divided by 23, that will be 4. 4 times 23, that's 92. Subtract 97 minus 92, that is 5. So therefore, 97/23 is equivalent to 4 and 5/23. For number 4, we have 183/5. So again, let's divide 183, the numerator, by the denominator, 5. So let's start with 18 divided by 5, that's 3. 3 times 5, 15. Subtract 18 minus 5, that's 3. Let's bring down this 3. Divide again, 33 divided by 5, 6. 6 times 5, 30. Subtract 33 minus 30, 3. So therefore, the whole number will be 36. The numerator will be the remainder 3. And then over the same denominator of 5. So the final answer is 36 and 3/5. Lastly, for number 5, we have 387/11. Again, let's divide the numerator 387 by the denominator 11. 38 divided by 11, that's 3. 3 times 11, 33. Subtract 38 minus 33, 5. Then bring down the 7. 57 divided by 11, that's 5. Then 5 times 11, 55. Now subtract 57 minus 55, 2. So therefore, the quotient of 35 will be the whole number of the mixed number. The remainder of 2 will be the numerator of the fractional part over the same denominator, which is 11. So the final answer is 35 and 2/11. Okay, so now it's your turn. So try to solve these problems and just comment your answers.